Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Monday, April the 9th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Modest upside moves in both gold and silver, with the dollar tracking lower. Gold up $3.50, currently fixed at $1339.60. A 12-cent gain for silver, putting it at $16.48, and that provided with the tailwinds of a weaker U.S. dollar, down 23 points at 89.54. The Dow came off of its high, but still managed to close in positive territory, gaining 46 points, but below 24,000, 23,979, and modest slight fractional gains in Bitcoin, 66.45 and 66.60 in the CME and CBOE futures exchanges. Traders, although gold closed up modestly, up $3.40 at $1339.50, that bases the most active June COMEX contract. The fact of the matter is that this is the first occurrence of 2 up days in a row since March 23rd, this area that I've just circled. But more importantly than that, the open as well as the close of today occur above 2 critical points, which really on a technical basis suggests very strong support for gold pricing in this area. The first thing that we're going to look at is the 50-day moving average, which currently resides at 1331.10. Now, the market did hit a low of 1330 in trading today, however, was able to close well above that price point. And then the second area is the 23% retracement at 1336. The fact that gold opened and closed above those 2 price points suggests to me not only strong support, but an indication that gold, in fact, will track higher over the short term. We certainly have the fundamental environment that should take gold higher. And if you recall from last week's discussion, we spoke about the fact that we do want to initiate a long position. It is a matter of positioning the best possible entry price. In terms of stop placement, once we do get into the trade, we will have to protect ourselves at least through 1325. That is the 61% retracement of the very small data set from 1306 to 1356. Traders, I will send out a special trade alert over the next couple of days to recommend the initiation of a long position. Silver also had a nice showing today, gaining about 0.7%, closing 11 cents higher at 1647. Both silver as well as gold have been in essence range bound. However, I have been a lot more bullish on gold than I have on silver, and this is primarily due to the fact that pricing continues to remain under both the 50 as well as the 200-day moving average, and that the 200-day moving average in red still is above the shorter-term 50-day moving average. Lastly, there is the fact that the 50-day moving average is moving farther and farther away from the 200-day moving average, which suggests that silver will maintain a tight trading range and possibly lower pricing. An interesting day for Bitcoin futures, closing up $25 at 66.55. However, when we look at the recent activity, we can see where the market closed on Friday, and the fact of the matter is we had a nice move up initially on the open. It even went to a high of 7,200. However, that price point could not be sustained, and by the close of futures trading today, had traded back below its opening price to only be $25 above Friday's close. I am still under the belief that we will see a further decline in Bitcoin, and my target remains $6,000 per coin. Traders, we have a number of events right now on the horizon which have been and could be extremely supportive of the precious metals, specifically gold. Of course, there was a diminished sense of a looming trade war with statements over this weekend, but at the same time, we have some geopolitical hotspots heating back up with a gas bombing in Syria and some action by the administration against the Russians. These combined could be the catalyst to take gold prices very much higher. As I said during the show, we are looking to position ourselves. It's simply a matter of getting the best price. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.